Ciao traders. Today was awesome scalping day. I did a few scalps. First, let's go the GJ. That's the only one what I didn't do. So in the morning when the price action was here, what I was looking for was down, down. So we go above it, retest and start going higher. But you can see price was just going lower, lower, lower. And now we have just gone. No trades here. Then the Nasdaq scalp, 1 minute time frame. So yesterday scalp all the way to the TP. So today, soon as when we make the top and start breaking downsides, that's the same what this one, fear, this one, opportunity, and this one, the structure. And you can see the price didn't go back to the fear at all, but the price was going back to the opportunity, and here later on, opportunity. And then this breakout here, we create this bottom here. So for me, I was looking if the price wanna go above this area or below this area. So there will be the trades. And you can see when the price action is creating that bottom, price is going all the way back to the opportunity and goes back down. We didn't go above this area and start going higher. Price action is breaking lower. And now we break here. So basically the meaning is all this weight since that bottom, all this one is pushing downsides. And the principle is break, retest and start going lower. And when we zoom in here, we have this bottom. Now the price is a little bit manipulating around this area. We just have to be patient a bit more. And now you can see we have those strong wicks here. And now we have this break and we have a nice retest. And price is going back to the next level. Nice logic trade. And gold. Gold I did today all 1 minute time frame too, scalping. And the first one was here. And again, same. We have fear, opportunity, and structure. The first one was, you can see the price is making the structure, retest, and goes back to the opportunity. And nice sell here. The second sell was, we have the structure, we have breakout, but no retest, and then price is doing its own thing. And now we have a retest, but at the same time, we had so this one here, it's from 11.11, and he was looking at sell with that Fibonacci. And if you see, when I put the same Fib here, the 618 is exactly in the same place where is my retest. So that was super awesome in the morning. So I had my trade, the other person has his own trade, and we both have TP hit, what is absolutely amazing. And then later on you can see the price action bounce here, goes back to the structure, thinks and then back in the bottom, all the way above it, above, retest the opportunity again, and we have this massive fall down. But you can see how the price action is bouncing here and bouncing here. When we have so strong movement, but the level what we have here is still holding. So it's 4 because it was a manipulation movement. There is no there is, this movement is not real. It's manipulated, and that's why you can see it stopped here, and then price action is going above, have a retest, and start going nicely higher all the way to the TP. And that was today my trading. Very simple. And when we bring the fear here, you can see how the price action is bouncing that fear, going to the bottom, create the W, and then push price all the way to the our TP. So very beautiful market structure. And here we can see how the price action goes above, retest, above, retest, above, retest, above, retest, and TP. The market basically, when the market is down here, we can do almost everything, and then we go above and retest, and here again we can do almost everything and go above and start going. So we're building and we're building and we are building, and we go above it, retest, above it, retest, above, retest, above, retest, above, retest, above, retest, above. Pure market structure. And I didn't do absolutely anything else today. That was the whole movement. So this was the yesterday. When we look the silver and what the gold was doing, it's very different structure. Gold is doing something totally different than silver. Silver almost no movement. And here, why I put those ones here in 1 minute. Soon as when we start breaking now this one, this is the places where the price can go, because we see all these empty areas. If we start breaking this one, and Dow Jones it's very similar. We didn't do any movements yesterday and today, but same time Nasdaq is been pushing higher and higher. And oil, we reach the TP. For example, when you enter here, we reach the TP. Super nice and solid trades. Very, very extreme. Super extreme trades. And here you can see, so here between the blue and the white, you can see the price action is going above it, meaning it is pushing higher. Now price action is below it, but we didn't break any more lower. When we didn't break any more lower of the original low, now the price action is going back in the same zone. And soon as when we push down, you can see we didn't go lower than the lows, but we was going higher than the highs. Again, pure structure here, and you can see we go above it, retest, and gone. Beautiful structure. And here too, when we zoom a little bit more in, the entry here is, you can see, go above it, retest, and start going higher. Goes above it, retest, and start going higher. But this was today trading. And I will see every single one in the next video. Thank you and ciao.